The other one's just up there, it's been too, and here's the other one. Crikey me, very easy to find back. That's kind of good in a way. Right. Okay, ouch, owie, 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 owie. Right. I think I'm probably the wrong way actually. Right, here we go, it's the entrance to it. Hit me another, yeah, another Vickers machine gun. Here we go, folks. Yeah. Right, get my torch up, if you can see. Yeah, this one being vandalised by the look of it. This with the and the glass everywhere. How nice! That's where the, if you can see that, that's all reinforced. Yeah, that's been broken off. Yeah, some of the other one not as tidy actually. And bolts going in there. Yeah, these were built to protect the, guessing the train track over there or the industrial estate. So I think it was a munitions depot during the war. Could be wrong though, but yeah. Got an old seat, old bed. But that effect is practically the same as the other one. Actually blast wall. Nice. Yeah. There we go, folks.